Some of you guys were asking questions in the comment section about YouTube payments. When would your payments start reflecting in the AdSense account? And from the AdSense account, when do you get that email from YouTube that your payments are made, and check your account? And when do you actually receive those payments in your bank account? These are some of the questions that I was getting in the comments section, so I'm gonna try and answer these questions in this video. If your channel got monetized recently, first of all, congratulations, your hard work did pay off. It's not easy to get channels monetized these days, but if you did manage to do so, great work. But you need to now know what are some of the things that you need to keep in your mind after your channel gets monetized. So let's start right now. First, and the most important thing after your channel gets monetized is to add in the details and link your YouTube with your AdSense account. There are several videos available on the internet that actually show you how to link your account with AdSense. If you want me to make a video on that, it's a different topic. I'll make a video on that as well. But after you have linked your YouTube account with your AdSense and you've added it, once that link is made, next step is going to be completing your $100 threshold. As soon as you complete your $100 threshold, you are going to start receiving payments, and those are going to start reflecting on your AdSense account. When do those payments reflect in the AdSense account? That's 11th of every month. So 11th of every month, you can check your AdSense, open up the AdSense account. Now there are different sections on AdSense now. There is a specific section that says payments for YouTube or YouTube payments. Click on that and you're going to see your payments on the 11th. Sometimes it can be 12th as well, depending on the region where you're actually residing. But 11th of every month, usually your payments would start reflecting there. If you completed your $100 threshold and those are reflecting in your YouTube Analytics tab, those are going to start reflecting on 11th of every month on the AdSense account. Now these payments, if it's above $100 in that particular month, this is important to note. So if you let's say made $70 in one month, and then the next month you made $70 again, then you're going to receive the payment in the next month, the third month, because you couldn't complete your $100 threshold. So your payments are going to roll over to the next month. That means you did not get paid. You wouldn't get paid in the previous month, but you're only going to get paid the next month. So in whichever month you complete your $100 threshold, that month's 11th, your payments are going to start reflecting in your AdSense. If it's above $100, you're going to receive an email on 21st of that month mentioning from YouTube that, hey, we've sent your payment to your account, whatever account you mentioned while setting up your AdSense account. So in that account, YouTube sends that payment. 21st of the month, those payments are sent, and usually those are going to start reflecting in your accounts between 26th till 30th of the month. It can be 1 or 2 days later. I mean, depends if it's a weekend, if it's a public holiday falling between those days. But if it's weekdays, usually 26th of every month, your payments are going to start reflecting in your bank account. For bank accounts, those are normal processes. You might have your text message option selected in your bank account. So you're going to get a text message, you're going to get an email, or you can simply log into your online banking account and check on the 26th, preferably closer to midnight on 26th. Your payments should start reflecting in your accounts. That's how payments on YouTube actually work. There are a couple of things that I want to mention, especially if you're someone who just got their channel monetized, because after you get your channel monetized, a lot of people face this issue. I faced this issue myself. I had a savings account with one of the banks in Pakistan. That savings account was linked. I added the details of that saving account in my AdSense, and I thought everything is good to go, but it took me a very long time to receive my very first payment in my bank account, because YouTube sent that payment, but the bank wanted to be sure of who sent this payment, why was this payment sent. There were like a million questions that were asked by the bank from me, so I had to answer those questions. I had to provide them with receipts and a lot of those informations. The easiest solution that I know of, in Pakistan at least, is to open a freelancer's account. So freelancers accounts are usually an option that all the people working doing freelance work, they have this option to open that account, and that usually is good because banks would not ask you a lot of questions. They understand there's a remittance coming, from YouTube or from an employer that you're working for as a freelancer coming to Pakistan. So they would not ask you a lot of questions, understanding there's a freelancers account and there's remittance coming from outside Pakistan. That's pretty easy. I know that some of the banks like Bank Alpha has this option. You can open up a freelancers account online while sitting at home. Simply open up the account, go to any ATM, give your thumb impression, and I think after the biometric, your account opens up within 2 to 3 days. You get your debit card, you get your checkbook, and welcome letter, etc., etc. All of those things, they happen as per the process, but it's easiest because you don't have to go to any bank account. You can do that online using your laptop. So this is one advice that I wanted to give you. If you're a YouTuber, I would suggest and advise you to go with a freelancer's account in order to avoid any hassle, especially if you're in Pakistan. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.